Welcome back. So I'm about to tell you how you can easily make affirmation videos like this.
Welcome to a journey towards tranquility and relaxation. Embrace this serene moment as we embark on a path to awaken your inner.
There are millions of people that are looking for these types of videos because they need peace and relaxation right now, and you can be the one to provide it for them while also making hundreds to thousands in a single day. And the way I'm about to show you how to do this, you won't even need to use your own voice, and you'll be able to do this all in less than 5 minutes. We're going to be using AI tools that will actually do most of the work for you. So, in this video, I will walk you through how to create sleep affirmation videos on YouTube and potentially earn $300, $400, sometimes $500 per day. And the best part is that you don't have to come up with the affirmations yourself. You don't have to record a single word of affirmations. And I'll guide you through how to do topic research, how to create the videos, and how to monetize that. But before we get into the details, I'm going to share my screen and show you that there is proof that you can actually make this much money, because there are people right now making this or more from posting this type of videos on YouTube. Let me show you. So here we have a channel called Motivation Hub that is making somewhere around $1,000 and $14,000 per month by posting motivational and affirmation videos on YouTube. And actually, knowing what I know as a monetized creator from my own channel, the actual amount of money that they make is towards the higher end. Let me show you another one. Here we have another channel called Rising Higher Mediation that is currently making between $1,000 and $7,000 per month. So clearly there is money to be made in this niche, and I'm going to show you how you can make very similar videos yourself using AI, so all gets done so much easier and so much faster. As always, there is going to be a Google Doc in the description below, which you can follow along. All the prompts and links will be there. So are you ready for this? Let's go! So, as I'm showing you, many people are having success with making these types of videos and getting paid, and you can also make these amounts and even more. Now, I do want to be upfront and honest with you. This is going to take some work, because the people that are making these amounts of money every month, it didn't just happen to them. They actually had to work hard to get to this point. So I want you to just be prepared for that. And in case you are wondering, how do these people even get paid? How does all of this work? Once they put out enough videos and are able to reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours, then they can get accepted into YouTube's partner program. And that's where YouTube will place ads in the videos, and then you are paid a certain amount of money. And if you want to know more about how YouTube monetization works, I recently made a 2-hour full course where I mention everything you could possibly need to get monetized on YouTube. You can go watch it after you are done with this video. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification. I constantly drop some of the most valuable content on YouTube. Anyway, now let's move on to finding the right videos to create. One of the ways that I do that, I go straight to the source. I go right here on YouTube and I type in whatever niche I'm looking for, which at this time we're focusing on sleep affirmation. Then I'll scroll through, find a video that has a good amount of views and click on that channel. I want to go to the most popular videos. When you're looking through these videos, sometimes you'll find some that have millions of views, but it's from many years ago. I always make sure that I am looking for videos that did well in the last year. But you don't want to do anything beyond that, because you want to get videos that are relevant today, that people are interested in now. Scrolling through, we come across this video right here. It was 10 months ago, and it has gotten almost 2 million views. So that's a good amount of views. It's a good time frame. Then we need to look at the title. What is the topic that they talked about? So that's something that we need to write down and do, because it's working. Another thing you can do is use a tool like vidIQ. With vidIQ, you can actually search for the keywords that people are looking for. Like, for instance, if we type in affirmations, that has over 300,000 searches. However, the competition is really high. So if you do that video, you'll probably get lost in the search results, which we don't want. You can sub it down even more and look for a specific type of positive, confidence, motivation affirmations. Positive affirmations is really big right now. And if you're like, you know what, I don't want to do any manual labor, they have a part to this where they have an AI coach that you can actually type in, what type of affirmation videos can I make for my channel? And it'll give you a list of videos they believe will work and align with your audience and your channel. They pull all of these stats from YouTube. So this is a really cool tool. It's one that I use. But at this point, once we did the research, we can actually start creating the video. And the tool that we are going to be using for this, that's going to make it really easy, is called invideo AI. Now, I put a link down below for you to sign up, and you can get a free account for this if you want to get started on your computer. So once you grab your free account and you log in, this is the first screen that you will see. And then we'll just select Create AI Video. And from here, we're going to go to the bottom of the screen and we're going to select Workflow. What what we are going to create is what's called a YouTube explainer video. So now what's going to happen is, it's going to ask you a few questions so that it can get started with creating the video that you want. And the first question is going to be, how long do you want it? And you can actually make videos up to 30 minutes. I suggest keeping it shorter when you are first starting out with using this tool so that you can get more use out of this, anywhere from maybe 2 to 5 minutes. And this next box is where you enter your prompt. Your prompt is basically, what do you want this to do? What type of video do you want this to create? And what you put here is going to be really important because you want it to make the correct type of video, so I created a free prompt for you to use. In case you haven't opened my Google Doc yet, the prompt will be there. And that's just to keep you on track, making sure you're giving it the right information so that you can get the best result. So I asked it to create a 2-minute guided for people to listen to in their sleep. Make the speaker speak slow. The tone should be calm and soothing. The voice should be soft and whispery. So since I put everything that I wanted in that first box, I'm going to skip the next 2 boxes and we're going to come down here to the settings. And in the settings, it is going to be where you are able to pick the voiceover that you want. And this is just honestly preference. I hear a lot of affirmation videos that have female voices, so that's what I'm going to pick for gender. As far as the accent, there are many different ones that you can choose here. I'm going to go with a clear American accent just because I'm in America. Also, there is an option to clone your own voice with invideo AI. However, I am not going to go too deep into this now because I already created a video on this topic. You can go watch it after you are done with this video. Now, when it comes to these type of affirmation videos, I've also noticed that none of them really have subtitles. Now, if you want to kind of stand out and be different, you can add subtitles to this because maybe people may want to read along, but I'm going to go without. However, if you do want to add subtitles, you'll just come here and select what type. And after that, all you have to do is hit continue and generate. And from there, it's going to ask you a few more questions just to make sure it's creating the video you want. It wants to make sure that you have the right audience, look and feel, as well as the platform, and you can choose whichever you prefer. I like the ones that it already chose, so I'll just hit continue. And it's going to combine all of those things, and then in a few minutes, you'll have a completed video. Let's watch a quick preview.
Welcome to a journey towards tranquility and relaxation. Embrace this serene moment as we embark on a path to awaken your inner.
So watching this video back, I feel like she was speaking a little too fast. I don't feel myself that I was actually able to relax while listening to it, and that's really important, especially if we're doing videos about sleeping affirmations, and we want this to get views and people to continue to come back to the channel. So there is actually a way that you can edit this. You can come down to this edit command box, and just like we gave it a prompt to tell it what type of video to create, we can give it another prompt and tell it what we want it to change. And one of the things that's important is the pacing of this media. That's going to slow everything down. So I'm going to ask it to make the media pacing very, very slow. I'm going to also ask it to increase the music volume to about 55% because we want that music to kind of carry us into the relaxation as well. And another thing, the voice, it was kind of chippery and high, and you know, in these relaxation videos, the tone is a little more calm. So I'm going to ask them to change the voice over to a young male with a slow speaking voice. You may have to play around with this a little bit until it gives you the exact result that you want. And you can also manually edit this by clicking on this edit button, going up here to the top to media. You can change the clips in it if you don't like it, or if you want to change something in a script, you'll just hit script and do that. However, myself, I am going to just let them do the work by just telling them what to do. I'm going to act as a supervisor today.
Welcome to a journey towards tranquility and relaxation. Embrace this serene moment as we embark on a path to awaken your inner peace. The key to this voyage is finding a quiet, comfortable space, a sanctuary where you can surrender to the calming rhythm.
And you don't have to just do sleep affirmations. You can do like simple positive morning affirmations for people to start their day. You can also do videos for people to just listen to affirmations for the day. So those are just some things to keep in mind when you are actually choosing which route you want to go with these type of videos. But all of those work well, so let me know down in the comments what you think about that final video. But from there, we're going to come over to export. And if you have the free version, it will make you save this video with the watermarks that come in the video, and those look like this, which kind of makes the video not look professional. And it'll also have the invideo AI branding in the corner, and if you are really wanting to make the amount of money that I showed you that these type of channels can make, then I highly suggest that you save these videos without those watermarks and without that invideo branding. And in order to do that, you do have to get the paid plan, and those actually start for as low as $20 a month, and with everything you get, honestly, it's worth it. So I am going to go ahead and download it, but I am looking forward to hearing hearing about your success. If you liked this video, I recently dropped a bunch of courses like anime shorts or the full monetization course. Go check them out. Subscribe to the channel if you liked this video. See you in the next one.